So are you facing the same problem as well? If so, then here is the solution in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to 𝘙𝗵𝘁, and today in this video I am going to show how you can solve out this error. So let's move to the screen to solve this. So this is the website where we are having the error. There is an error trying to send your message. Please try again. So to solve this one, at first we will go to our dashboard, and from the dashboard we will go to contact and then contact form. So here we are using this contact form alternative in our website. So you can see this is the form, this is the contact form, and if we open our website, this is the form that we are using here. So this is the form. Here you can see all the codes are here, and ask a question option, same as like your name, your email, phone number, location, everything. So we will go to mail, and from here we will set up to. So to is actually where this information will go. That means in which email this information will go. When a user will submit the form, this information will go to a email address. So we will set up that email address. So here I am setting up the email address, and next we have from. So from is actually from whom this email is coming. That means here you can see your name. So this is a tag that you will get. So we will just put your name here and then your email address. So this should be your @email.com, and this one should be moved. And after that there is a subject. So here you can see there is a subject. So no, there is no subject here. So we will keep a subject here like this is question from 𝘀𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗀 website, and then additional headers we will remove that one, and then here message body. So message body we will keep your name, and then down we keep your email address. That means it will be like this, email, your email. So we are using the tag here using the app, and then this subject. So here we will give phone. So we have a phone address, so phone number, and then we will use the phone tag. So this is the phone tag, and we will put it here. So this is location, and then we will put it as a location as a text one. So text one is actually our location, and then this would be removed, and then your message body. So in the message body we will give your message. So this is the option, we will give your message. All right, so here you can see now if we fill up the form and everything and type something here, and if we keep ask question, and still there is a problem. So our first part is done. That means we fixed out this mail. Now we will solve out this problem with SMTP. Now go to your email account in your hosting. So when you are in hosting, type email, and then you will find there is an option email account. All right, so here we have to create an email for our website. So here we will create an email. So click on email account, and then you can find there is an option create. So click on create, and then type a email username. So let's say I'm giving a username here, info@𝘙𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗀.com, and then we will set our password. So here I'm setting up the password. So we can generate the password, or you can set it by yourself. So here I'm setting the password by myself manually, or you can also generate the password from the right side, generate link, and when it's done, click create. All right, so we have created our email address. Okay, info@𝘙𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗀.com. So in our dashboard we will come to plugin and install plugin, and from here we will install a plugin that is called WP SMTP. So this is the plugin that we are going to install, and you will get lots of plugins similar to this. So we will use this one. This is the good one, and click on install, and then we will click activate, and then here it says let's get started. So go back to dashboard. We will first go back to dashboard, and then here you can see we have the SMTP option here, and go to a WP SMTP, and then there is an option setting. So here you can see WP SMTP, and then go to settings. So coming to settings, here you will find general, and then you will find some option that is mail sender settings. And here you can see this is the email that we have created. Now click on connect device. And then when we are inside connect device, you can see there is one option, secure SSL TSL settings recommendation. And here you will find the outgoing server, that is SMTP port 465, and then outgoing mail, and then incoming server, and all the other settings here. So all the informations you will get here, username and everything. So let's go to our WP SMTP settings, and here we will see all the recommendation here. And this is the non-SSL settings, not recommended. So we will use this one, that is recommended. And we will use the password that we have used password to create our account. So from here, we will select other SMTP. And then it is asking for SMTP host, then SMTP port, and auto TSL, SMTP user, and password. So we will set up this one. So SMTP host. So go to here and you will see there is an outgoing server, and this is the SMTP host, the outgoing server mail address you will get. So this is actually the SMTP host. So we will just copy this one, and then we will put it in the SMTP host. Next, this encryption will be SSL. So here you can see SSL or TSL. So we will keep an SSL, and you can see SMTP port is 465, and here also we have SMTP port 465. If it is not 465, just set it up. And then there is SMTP user. So we will take the SMTP username, that is user here, info@𝘀𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗺.com. So copy this one, and then we will put it in our SMTP username. And then password is the password that we have used to create the account, that means to create the mail ID. So we will use that password. And so after it is done, then here you can see there is a form email. So you can here use your email address. That means from which email address actually this will pass. That means when anyone will send the mail, that means your email address which you want to show, you can put it here. So from email, you can put it here, info@babe, and then you can select force email address. So this email address will be shown, and also you can select force name, and you can give your name. That means from which name this will be seen. So everything is set up now, and click on save settings. And our SMTP setting is successfully done. So here you can go to email test to test if it's working or not. So we will click on email test, and then you can send it to somewhere. So you can send it to your email address or anywhere to test actually if it's working or not, if the mail test is going or not. So I'm putting my email address here, and then I'm clicking on send email. And you can see the test email might have sent. Okay, so success, if you see there is a success option, SMTP working correctly, and you can now check your email address. So if I come to my Gmail address, and if I check like if the mail is sent here or not, so I'm getting inside my Gmail address, and you can see there is a test email in my inbox from 𝘵𝗺𝗺. So here you can see it's written 𝘵𝗺𝗺 and from info@𝘵𝗵𝗺𝗺.com, and we have got our email. So this is now set. Now let's go to our website. Before going to our website, we will go to contact form, and then go to contact form alternative. So this is the form that we are having. There is still an error here, so we will solve this one. Go to mail, and then here you can see from. So here we will change this from to our email address that we have created. So this would be info@𝘀𝗵𝗺𝗺.com, and this is the email address that we have created. Now see the error has been solved. Now click on save, and done. And then go to our contact form in our website, and then we will set our contact form. So give a reload, and then we will give input in our contact form. So let's give the input 𝘁𝗵𝗺𝗺, and then location I'm giving Dhaka, and then a message giving test. And so here you can see it will go to this email address, 𝘵𝗺𝗺𝗺@gmail.com. So if you click on ask a question, Okay, and you can see, thank you, your message has been sent, and our message has been sent. Now let's see if we got the message or not. So I'm going to that email address. So we are inside the the mailing address, and if you go inside the mail, and you can see this is a question from 𝘵𝗵 website. So, and we got our email, and we got the email, that is the form details, form fill up details. So the user that fill up the form, we get the details. So here you now you know how to solve out this error. If this video come to you as help, do subscribe the channel to see more videos like this. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.